Beautiful souls. Are you over 50 and looking to earn extra income without learning complicated tech? You're not alone. Today we're breaking down 5 low-tech, low-risk side hustles perfect for beginners. Let's get into it. Love animals? This one's for you. Pet sitting and dog walking are flexible, low stress, and in demand, especially if you're in suburban or urban areas. Websites like Rover make it easy to get started. No fancy skills, just reliability and a love for pets. Here's a great hustle, running errands for busy neighbors or seniors. Think grocery pickup, pharmacy runs, or helping someone organize their garage. Apps like TaskRabbit can help, but you can also advertise on local Facebook groups or with a simple flyer.
People pay good money to have someone they trust look after their home while they travel. It's quiet, easy work that often includes watering plants, collecting mail, and just being present. Look into sites like Trusted Houses Sitters or start by asking neighbors. Have an eye for bargains or unused items in your garage. Flipping items on Facebook Marketplace can turn clutter into cash. No storefront, no tech skills, just a phone and some honesty. Bonus, you can even offer to sell things for others and split the profits. Everyone has something to teach. Can you tutor kids, teach piano, share baking skills? You don't need a fancy course, just a willingness to help others. Start with Zoom, or offer sessions locally at a library or community center.
You don't need to be a tech wizard to start a side hustle. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, it's never too late to earn on your terms. Want more ideas? Check out the link below on how to launch a business after 50, even if you have zero experience.